Hello all, and welcome to our discussion on Chapter 4, Teachers' Professional Identities and Becoming Equity-Minded. I wanted to start this video off with asking you who you are as a teacher. The teaching profession is a journey of reflection to learn more about ourselves in this role. As we learn more about who we are able to understand our teaching philosophies and our role in promoting equitable learning environments. Remember, as we learned last week, equity does not mean equality. The journey of reflection to learn more about ourselves in this role is one of progress and not perfection. As we interact with the children and families we serve, we become more aware of our role. It is through our interactions, experiences, our power, our privilege, and our personal identities that our teaching identity is formed, strengthened, and changed. So take a moment to pause the video and reflect on why you began teaching or would like to teach, and who you are or hope to be as a teacher. Now that you have paused and reflected on who you are as a teacher, you are one step closer to creating your professional identity as a teacher, or in other words, your teacher identity. As you gain a deeper understanding of yourself, you will be able to better understand others, especially the students that you serve. To figure out your teacher identity, you may want to ask yourself why you teach, what your limits are, and what you hope to bring to the table. In the words of Parker J. Palmer, good teaching cannot be reduced to technique. Good teaching comes from the identity and integrity of the teacher. I personally teach because I love sharing, talking, and learning about my passion, which is child development. I teach because I want to provide learners with safe spaces in which reflection and discussion is encouraged and welcomed. I teach because I want to create equitable spaces for all, allowing for those often unheard to finally be heard. I teach because I want to set the expectation that everyone has a seat at the table. What I mean by this is that every learner has an active role in our discussions and in the classroom, as well as every learner's opinions are heard, influencing how our class decisions are made. One way I do this is through contract grading system, which we know as grade goals. As you pursue your education, you will build knowledge, skills, and experiences in working with children and families. This process, in addition to your personal identities, contributes to your professional identity or your teacher identity. It's important for teachers to be self-aware and self-reflective. That process of self-awareness and reflection will support you in becoming equity-minded professionals. That is all for Chapter 4. I tried to keep this video short since lots of learning will be done during your reflective practice activity, which should take around an hour. So I just wanted to let you know that now so that you can plan ahead for that. That is it for now. Thank you for listening to the short mini lecture, and I look forward to seeing you during next week. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to myself or Nicole. Come to our office hours. We love talking with you, and we want to support you however we can. All right, I'm leaving now. Goodbye.